Bacon sausage egg breakfast. Ingredients. Original recipe yields 2 servings. Ingredients. 6 slices bacon. 4 links turkey sausage, or more to taste. 4 eggs. 1/4 cup shredded Italian 3 cheese blend. 2 slices jalapeno pepper, minced. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided. 1 16-ounce package frozen hash brown potatoes, thawed. 1/2 cup salsa. Place bacon and sausage in a large skillet and cook over medium-high heat, turning occasionally, until evenly browned, about 10 minutes. Drain bacon slices and sausage on paper towels, crumble bacon and diced sausage. Whisk eggs, 3 cheese blend, and jalapeno pepper together in a bowl, add sausage. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet over medium heat, cook and stir egg mixture until cooked through and scrambled, 3 to 5 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, cook and stir hash brown potatoes until cooked through and browned, about 10 minutes. Spoon scrambled eggs onto a plate and top with salsa and bacon. Serve potatoes alongside eggs.